Do you now understand the great value of Jesus as Messiah? Una, a person cannot disown Him or acknowledge Him without eternal consequence. Yun po ang una. Yung pangalawa, pag prioritize mo si Jesus above your relationships, you will know how blessed you will be because you will experience how great value Jesus is as Messiah. And then the last one, dito makita natin. When you follow Jesus, anyone who supports you will not lose his reward. Ganyan po kahalaga ang Panginoon. I want you to see this. Kasi you will go out and you will experience different responses to the people at maaring ma-discourage ka pag hindi naging favorable yung pagtanggap nila sa iyo. Pero huwag niyong aalisin sa inyong paningin yung worthiness ng nire-represent niyo sa mga tao. Pag pumunta kayo doon, you are representing Jesus Himself. Kaya ang tatanggap sa inyo, tinatanggap niya si Jesus. Ang magre-reject sa inyo, tinatanggihan niya si Jesus.